Here's the app called Flipartify Draw Animation, top flipbook animation creator, super popular app. Breathe life into your drawings with Flipartify. Ever dreamed of seeing your artwork come alive? Flipartify super easy animation app makes it a breeze. Create awesome animation with Flipartify. Effortless drawing and animation, diverse template library, export and share. So this app for artists, animators, creative minds. Super easy to use, tons of creative freedom, also community. And so here you can just open it up. It's included in many like packages where you can just find these awesome apps. 120 megabytes. As you can see, it's in top charts for graphics and design. And here we can just open it up. So now there is premium, as you can see, there is weekly. So, and then you can just find some things to start drawing, and then you can just try now. And then you can start to draw in here. You can also then just make a video how you're drawing it. And then oopsie, so here you can obviously adjust all of these things, and then you kind of drawing these frames.